Oh yeah, guess what come in the mail today? Drone drop.
Drone drop.
Woo! Alrighty, so we've got Drone Drop Box here for May 2018, and this is the box for the ones that crash. And need to repair because we've got parts in here. Can you hear them? Woo! Alright, let's see what we got in here this time. I'm excited. Actually, this is the first box I've got in a while and didn't know what I had in it. So, yes, let's go. Drone drop. Alright. Woo! We got some stickers.
The ethics.
Stickers. Oh, yeah. More stickers. We got some more stickers. Woohoo! Stickers, stickers. I think we've got some of these stickers already, but hey, I guess you can't have too many black sheeps. Alright. Looks like we got some blue props here. Looks like it is a 4.3 B1S HQ props. Looks like we've got two of them here. Oh, we got a third one. Woo, surprise! Alright. Woo, oh, look here. A patch antenna, TBS. Looks like it is a right-hand circular polarized, 5.8 gigahertz. Pretty small. I don't know how good that is, but I do have a patch antenna already, but you never know. Might need it. Alright, then we got a whip antenna here. Looks like it's for the MMCX. I'm glad I ain't got to buy an antenna for the VTX I got last month. This is exciting. Alright, now, let's see. What is this? Huh. I don't quite know what to do with that. It's some kind of locking to lock something. I guess it could be a battery strap, but I don't know how good that would be as a battery strap. Looks like you tear them apart, so you have three different ones, and you can latch different things on with it. It's like a reusable wire tie. Alright, so we got a bolt. We got some bolts and nuts here. This looks like it is the TBS Oblivion screw set. I've always wanted one of these. Oh, that is awesome. I wish I had an Oblivion frame to go with it. Huh. Let's see. Whoa, we got another big package here. Oh, it's so you can touch up your hair with. Oh, and for your girls out there, you can put the makeup on. Oh, that's cute. Uh-oh. No. This is the Oblivion frame. Oh, the unbreakable. Unbreakable. This is exciting. So we get the screw set. We got our VTX for it now. Now we just need some motors, ESCs, and a flight controller for it, and a camera. Woo! Alright. So I'm excited to check this frame out. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it. I did see a custom build on YouTube with this frame. And they were able to get it around 280, so we should be able to get this pretty light. It's supposed to be pretty strong, so that's exciting. Yeah, looking forward to building this out eventually. But yeah, awesome box. Thanks, Drone Drop. You really did a good one on this one. So this whip antenna really made up for not having one last month. But yeah, great, awesome. Thanks again. Great job on this box. This is probably the best box I've seen so far with the Drone Drop. It is awesome. Go check them out, because I know if you truly fly a drone, you crash and you will need parts. Alrighty. Have a great one. See you next time.
Make the ground shake.